Hi there and welcome to another Saasu training video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a payslip for an employee. Now, a payslip is an individual payslip for one pay period for one employee. If you are trying to make a pay run, that would be a payment to multiple employees, then please stay tuned for another video. But for this video, we will cover off how to create a payroll payslip. So firstly, you have two options of creating a payslip. You can either click the View menu option and click on Payroll. This will take you to the payroll list, which is currently empty, and you can add a payroll entry here. The second option is directly go to Add in the menu option and select Payroll. So that will take you to the same page as if you were clicking on the Add option. Okay. So in our previous example, we had recently added Claire Jones as the employee, and now we will be processing her pay for the month of November. So once we have the payroll entry open, we can select the date that we are processing the pay. So let's select today as the 27th of November, and we will select Claire Jones from the list of employees. Then we will select the account, the bank account where we'll be paying the wages from, and put in a reference if required. You can at this stage create a follow-up activity, but generally when you have saved the payroll entry, you can refer to it at any time. Next, we select the period that this pay applies to, and we can select her start date, the 4th of November, to the last date in November, the last working day in November. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, you will actually see that a lot of details have already been pre-filled. If you recall that in the setup of Claire's employee card, we had set up default pay. So as you can see, once you've set up default pay, it's a very, very easy process for you to enter in a new pay slip, because you don't actually need to fill in anything else, but just go over the pay slip and just make sure that all the details are correct. So we can check that the base pay hourly rate equals to the gross pay amount, that there is a tax withholding being deducted, giving us a net pay figure, and superannuation has been confirmed, and we can see that the entitlements have been automatically calculated. So as we are happy with this result, for the purpose of this example, I'm not going to adjust this hour. We'll just assume that she has worked the full hours of the 4 weeks. So once this has been completed, click Save and Close, and that will take you back to the main payroll entry screen, and you will be able to see that there is an entry here for Claire Jones. What this means is within Saasu, we have recorded a payment for Claire Jones, and you will then need to log into your online banking system to actually process this pay, as we cannot do that within the Saasu environment.